Hello, my name is Victor Sandoval, and I'm a Senior Staff Cloud Solutions Architect with VMware. In this video, I will deliver a technical overview of Azure VMware Solution. We will review the components of AVS, how it is architected and operated, and how it can leverage as an additional tool to expedite your migration to Azure. Let's get started. AVS is a single-tenant, hyper-converged private cloud running VMware's infrastructure products on bare metal hardware. This solution is now running on nested virtualization on Azure VMs. Instead, customers consume AVS on a host basis. The three infrastructure products that make up AVS consist of the following. vSphere is the virtualization platform on which you create and run your virtual machines. Just as you leverage vSphere on premises today, you can leverage vSphere on AVS to pool and manage the resources of multiple hosts and clusters. Since this recording, AVS has a minimum entry point of 3 hosts and a maximum of 96 hosts per AVS instance. In addition, you can deploy as many AVS private clouds as needed. vSAN is the primary storage provider of AVS. vSAN leverages the attached disks on the AVS clusters to optimize resource utilization across clusters. In addition, the duplication and compression are built into vSAN, allowing us to take advantage of flash storage built into the AVS nodes and provide as much as 7 times data reduction with minimal CPU and memory overhead. VMware NSX is the networking, virtualization, and security platform of AVS. With NSX, networking and security are brought closer to the application, whether running on a VM or a container. With NSX, we can reproduce the entire network and security models in software, from simple to complex multi-tier workloads. This can be created in seconds and applied throughout your whole AVS environment. AVS provides operational consistency with on-premises. In addition, AVS provides you with access to vCenter, giving you the option to continue to leverage your existing automation flows and the current active technologies that you leverage to manage vSphere on-premises. If you are familiar with running NSX, you will have no problems managing and operationalizing your network and security stacks. Azure VMware Solution gives you access to the NSX Manager, where you can manually make changes to the environment or leverage the NSX APIs to write automation workflows. If you are interested in exploring different network and security architectures with AVS, please stay tuned for additional content. We will cover AVS and Azure VMware networking in addition to networking and security best practices for migrating workloads into AVS. From an operational standpoint, AVS provides you with options outside of the VMware stack. With Azure Arc currently in public preview, you can manage and monitor AVS through the Azure portal in case your DevOps teams don't have expertise with vSphere or NSX. AVS is a managed solution, which means that Microsoft is responsible for patching and upgrading the underlying infrastructure. Additionally, any host within AVS is rolled up to a 99.9% SLA availability for the entire service. This allows your staff to focus on more business productive tasks rather than patching and upgrading the VMware infrastructure, providing additional operational savings to our end customers. AVS is currently available across 24 Azure regions, making Azure the most available VMware-based cloud provider on the planet. Once your applications have been migrated into Azure with AVS, you can further enhance your applications by leveraging Azure native services within your AVS environment. Azure has a rich ecosystem of services that your AVS workloads can access through the Azure backbone. In addition, every AVS instance can connect to your current Azure environment through a low latency, high throughput connection. VMware HCX is an application mobility platform bundle at no additional cost. AVS customers leverage ACX to migrate their workloads into AVS seamlessly. By combining these technologies, AVS is often the fastest, most secure, and cost-effective platform for migrating your workloads into Azure. Since the moment of this recording, AVS comes in a single SKU type known as the AV36. This host is built with a total of 36 cores, 576 gigabytes of memory, and a total raw capacity of 15 terabytes of storage. As I mentioned earlier, AVS has a minimum entry point of 3 nodes and a maximum of 60 nodes per cluster, with a total of 96 nodes or 12 clusters per AVS private cloud. If you require additional resources beyond 96 nodes, you can deploy several private clouds and interconnect them as needed. Now that we have an overall understanding of AVS and its components, let's recap some of the benefits of the solution. With AVS, you can leverage your existing skill set and migrate your workloads into a platform you trust and know. You can leverage Azure's rich ecosystem and integrated services into your current workloads. Regarding ease of migration, a zero refactoring approach is the safest and most economical method. Refactoring or replatforming the application can often lead to lengthy and costly migrations. Finally, thanks to vSAN and vSphere's ability to over-provision workloads, we can see substantial infrastructure savings and a reduction in migration costs. If you want to see how AVS can lower your organizational costs, please stay tuned for future sessions where we will cover AVS economics. As you can imagine, AVS addresses multiple use cases. The most popular use cases are cloud migrations, data center expansions, and a place to host your virtual desktops, and a landing zone for your disaster recovery. However, a few use cases and benefits are available only to AVS. These include free extended security updates for 2008 and 2012 workloads. You can also bring your existing Windows and SQL on-premises licenses. This particular use case saves customers a significant amount of money since we only need to license the host as opposed to individual VMs. AVS is sold entirely by Microsoft and can be done via pay-as-you-go, 1 year and 3-year reservations. 3-year reservations are the most cost-effective with approximately 30 to 50% cost savings from pay-as-you-go. Again, if you want to see additional content on how AVS can save your organization's money, please stay tuned. We're going to be having deep dive sessions on cloud economics and comparisons for total cost of ownership. This concludes our session for today. If you like this content, please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for additional content coming in the near future. Thank you.